Assalamualaikum. My name is Vajiha Tayyab and my roll number is 18262. My project is voting system. Let's move towards this interface. The first module will be the welcome module, in which you will select if you want to log in as a party or as a voter. If you want to log in as a party, click on the party. You have to enter your party username and party password. If you are not registered, first you have to register. As I have already registered, so I will just log in. So I will enter my username and password. If the information is correct, the party information module will be open, in which all the information of the party from the database is pasted. So if I click on the result button, I will get the result module, in which I will receive the result of the election by clicking on the button. As PTI has won, it has received the most votes. It is the overall result of all the votes which has been entered in the database. Moving backwards, if we want to log in as a voter, we will go back and then select as voter. So it is similar process. If you are not registered, first you have to register and then log in. As I have already registered, so I will just log in. If the information is correct, the voter information page will be open, in which it contains all the information of the voter from the database. If you want to vote, the voting page will be open. So let's enter the information. Submit. Vote has been submitted. Let's see the results. So these are the results. Let's move back towards the working. So first we will see the working of the welcome page. Welcome page has two buttons, the voter button and the party button. When you click on the voter button, the voter login page will be open, and when you click on the party button, the party login page will be open. Now we will move towards the login code, voter login code. So in voter login, the username from the text field and the password from the text field will be selected. If the password and the username are correct, so we will log in. In the login, we will get the information of the login account and we will display it on the voter information page. So here it is. So the information on the voter login page will be printed from the login page, and on the voter information page you have the facility to vote. This information will be printed when you log in, and the information of the current user will be printed here. When you click on the vote button, the voting page will be open. In voting page, if your age is smaller than 18, you cannot vote. So when you select the radio button of which party you want to vote, it will be saved inside the vote, and the result will be saved inside the string vote, and it will be printed. Here it is. The CNIC, age, city and vote will be saved inside insert inside the database using the insert query of SQL. So if you are register successfully will be message will be printed. Now we will move towards the party login and party registration. In party login, so when we click on the login button, it is a query from registration from the database pre-party registration. The text field of the party username and the party password will be matched. If it is similar, then you will be able to log in as a party member. If the party information will be printed on the party page, as you have seen, it is similar to the voting page. Here it is. The information when you log in, the current party member information will be printed here. When you click on the result button, the result page will be open, and here in result module, the information will be collected. The information of all the votes from the database will be stored inside the array list. In the array list.names, which will be initialized here. So for checking the frequency of the vote, we will use the command collection.frequency in the array list. Now for seeing which is the winner, we will use the if-else command. If People's Party have greater votes in PTI, then People's Party will win. Now for printing the value in the text field, we will use the PTI text field name dot set string dot value of text, because the value of the PTI is a string, is an integer. For that's why we will write string, so it will be converted in a string and will be pasted inside the string field here. So this is all. Thank you very much.